Yeah, I'm with Acubed, the Innovation Center of Airbus here in Silicon Valley. Airbus, we make things that fly. So satellites, space rockets, helicopters, drones, military planes, and a lot of commercial aircraft. So can I see a change of hands? Who of you has flown in the last year? Okay, so two things. One, it's about a little bit more than 50% probability that you flew in an Airbus aircraft. And second, you're one of 4 billion passengers that flew in the last year. So this industry flies 4 billion passengers a year. And I mean, how much is 4 billion passengers? So the most successful kind of internet platform, Facebook, social media platform, has 3 billion active customers. So it's a lot of people. In Airbus, aircraft starts and lands about 1 second. So there are a lot of planes flying. And there's this little issue that about 90% of the traffic is condensed on 10% of the airports. So there's this whole aspect of traffic density complexity. So far so good. Where's this industry going? In the next 15 years, so pretty much within one product life cycle, this passenger volume is to grow to 8 billion passengers. And 8 billion passengers, that's the current world population that flies every year. And estimates that about the entire population of Silicon Valley, 3 million people, is in the air at any given time. So that's a very, very formidable challenge and topic that brought me into this industry. If you have a doubling in the participants in the traffic system, you have about a quadratic increase in complexity. And that's the challenge of the next decade, how to develop the means to deal with this.